Hello everyone, welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed up to 20 problems in level 2. Now this is a 21st question. Nature of the roots and properties related problems. Now read the question. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Then the equation 3ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0 has. So how to find nature of the roots? By observing the delta. Delta formula b square minus 4ac. Discriminant. By observing the discriminant, we will say if delta greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Delta is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Delta less than 0, the roots are imaginary and conjugate to each other. Now, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. See the quadratic equation. What is b? It's 2b whole square minus 4a, 3a, and c only. Now see the calculation here. 4b square minus 4 into 3ac. Take 4 common. And here b square we are getting. Already we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then what is b? Minus of a plus c. Minus of a plus. Substitute here. Minus of a plus c whole square. So that means b square is equal to, we get minus of a plus c whole square, that is a plus c whole square or not. Substitute here a plus c whole square minus 3ac. So expand this, what happens? See, a square plus c square plus 2ac minus 3ac. Okay, now 4 into a square plus c square minus 2ac minus ac, sorry, 2ac minus 3ac minus ac or not. Now 4 is there outside, 4 we can write 2 into 2, 1 2 send inside, that means 2a square plus 2c square minus 2ac, 2 into 2a square plus 2c square. I am writing one of a square plus c square here, another one is here, a square plus c square minus 2ac. Now observe this, 2 into a square plus c square. Now these three terms, how to write, students? A minus c whole square. Overall, observe here, the powers are squares only. So it is possible greater than or equal to 0 only. Greater than or equal to or greater than 0. If A is equal to C, what happened? Only these term is going to 0. Remaining terms cannot be cancelled. So that meaning is finally the discriminant is only greater than 0. Delta greater than 0 means, so what about nature of the roots? Real and different roots. Third option correct. Real and distinct or different root. Different roots. Okay. Third option. 22 question. If the roots of the equation are real, then a square, bd, c square are in AP, GP, HPR, AGP. First, see the quadratic equation here. Split a square x square plus b square x square plus 2bc into x plus 2ad into x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0. Total 6 terms are there. Observe the first 3 terms, a square x square and 2adx plus d square. By observe these 3, how to write, students? Those are ax plus d whole square only. Ax plus d whole square only. Remaining 2 terms, remaining 3 terms, we can write bx plus c whole square. That's equal to 0. Now, when this equation is exist, if ax plus d equal to 0, bx plus c equal to 0, then only the equation will be satisfied. Yes or no? Because the power is square. If you are substituted negative value, it's going to positive only. That's right. Both are 0 means 0 square plus 0 square, 0 will come. If any other value are taken, the equation cannot be satisfied. Now, what is x value here? Minus d by a. Here, what is x value? Minus c by b. See here, both are x values only. Equate them. Minus d by a is equal to minus c by b. B. Now observe this. Now observe this. BD minus BD is equal to minus AC. Minus BD is equal to minus AC. Do that, squaring on both sides. Then what happened? B square D square is equal to A square C square. So that means this is BD whole square, that is equal to A square into C square. A, B, C are in GP series means, what is the condition, students? Tell me. B square is equal to AC or not? B square is equal to AC. Now, by observing these condition, we will say A square, comma, BD, comma, C square are in GP series. GP series. You can observe reverse, then you will understand. Which option correct, students? Second option.